Today I'm going to give it a shot. Change the steering wheel. It's pretty disgusting. It's 2005, so that's like 16 years of disgusting hands all over this thing. Not to mention it moves. You know, the rubber moves when you. It's crap. It needs to be changed. So I ordered a new steering wheel, and I'm gonna attempt to put it on. Let's see what happens. Being that this has an airbag in the steering wheel, I'm not messing around. So I'm gonna disconnect the battery because I don't want an airbag in my face. Next thing I'm gonna do is take the fuse off of the airbag too, just as a precaution. So I printed out the fuse schematic so I can figure out which one is which, and it says it's this guy here, F-150. So I'm just gonna pop that off. Look at that little fuse removal tool. That'll come in handy. All right. Let's see. F-150. That looks like second row up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Next part had these little covers. Oh, that came off easy. Little covers that hold on the airbag in the front. There's 2 of these. I think there's one on both sides. Let me try this other side here too. Yep. 2 looks. I got a 8mm socket. Get it in here. See if I can find it. Oh, got it. All right. One on this side. This airbag explodes in my face. I better go viral. And then to the hospital. Right, so this should come right off, which it does. Oh, a whole bunch of plugs here. Get this guy up here. Oh, there you go, that's easy. Other guy. Oh, I need a screwdriver or something. It's a little red clip that holds on the, I guess the main airbag plug. And I must say that this is very nerve-wracking having the airbag right near my face like this. Even though I got everything unplugged, still scares the crap out of me. I don't see how this one comes off. This one came right out. Oh, okay. There you go. This guy. Oh, same thing. That's a little gray clip. This is the piece I'm struggling with right now. I think this little gray part is supposed to come off, and then it comes out. I'm gonna mess with that. All right, it was that little gray piece that comes out, which then allows you to take off. Well, I thought it did. What the fudge? Oh, stupid. All right, there's a little clip back here. Go. Airbag off. Just so you know, this is what the airbag looks like. It's what explodes in your face. Okay, airbag is off. This is what it looks like inside. So, boom. I guess I take that off. And looks like it talks. And I left my talks in the house, of course. So, I'm gonna go get that. Okay. Got my torque spit. Fits right in there. Just so you know, this is a T50. Right. Extension. Come off. T50. Looks like I need a puller. All right, back inside. Gotta go get my puller. All right, got a puller. Only second time I ever used it, so I just gotta try to find something I can. Oh, that works. That. Find somewhere to grab onto. These sides are better. Ah, there you go. Got one side in, other side is not listening. Ooh, I wonder if I can cheat this off. Take that off. Oh, there you go. Remember, it's only cheating if you get caught. Alright, so I got the puller to hook on to both sides of the middle part of the steering wheel. So in theory, we just turn this sucker and it should pull it right off. Well, oh, hey, is it coming? Can I come back in? It. Better plan. Oh, wait, maybe if I I'll keep that original screw in there, just not tighten it up all the way so I can, oops, I think I kind of messed up the threads. Still works. Try it now. Okay. Oh, it worked. It worked. Yeah. Get that thing out again. Yes. Ta-da! One steering wheel. Boom. Now there's this wire, which, nothing. New steering wheel has the wire too. So I could just take this in, dispose of it. All right, coolio. While I got this off, I guess I can take the opportunity to clean it. Never get this opportunity again. That looks like that. Alright. Looks like everything's good. But where did I put that torque strip? Ah! What the hell? Oh, done. Good. Let's reverse all these wires that I took off. Make sure they look the same. Yes. Okay. There. Let's go. Let's go. It's right on there. 8mm screws. Whammo! Wasn't so hard. I just reattach the battery, fuse, boom, 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 boom. That's it. I'm not gonna show you that stuff because it's just same old, same old.